Is the Castview TV streaming device your ticket to cord-cutting paradise, or just another gadget destined for the tech graveyard? We're diving deep into the Castview TV, unboxing its promises and putting them to the test. To help you decide if this streamer is a dream or a scam, first impressions matter, and the packaging is surprisingly sleek inside. You'll find the Castview TV device itself, a remote control, a power adapter, and an HDMI cable. Setting it up is straightforward. Plug it into your TV's HDMI port, connect to your Wi-Fi, and you're supposedly ready to stream. The user interface is simple, but feels a little dated. The pre-installed apps include some popular streaming services, but we noticed some missing big names like Hulu and HBO Max. Navigation can be laggy at times, even with a strong internet connection, and the app selection is limited. You'll likely need to rely on screen mirroring from your phone or computer for some content. Now, the big question, does it deliver on its promise of high-quality streaming? The results are mixed. Some content streams smoothly in 180p, but we experience buffering and resolution drops, especially during peak hours. Picture quality varies significantly depending on the source, and the upscaling capabilities are definitely not impressive. And what about the concerns of it being a scam? We scoured user reviews and found a concerning number of complaints about unreliable performance, unresponsive customer support, and even reports of hidden fees or subscriptions. While it's not definitively a scam, the red flags are definitely there. Before you click that buy button, do your research, read reviews carefully, and consider alternative streaming devices with a proven track record of reliability and performance. The Castview TV might seem tempting with its low price, but sometimes you get what you pay for.